What if in just one day you could completely change the next 90 days of your business? If you're a business owner and you're serious about growing, scaling, and surrounding yourselves by the right people, the ambitious people, then I would like to personally invite you to Elite Club. This isn't another networking event where you exchange cards and go home with nothing. It's a high impact growth and strategy summit designed to help you think bigger, execute faster, and leave with a clear 90-day growth strategy to execute. You'll hear from an incredible lineup of guest speakers we have. Paul Smolinski, he's going to share his top 10 networking tips that he's learned from building relationships with multi-millionaires and billionaires around the globe. Darrell Irwin will introduce the crisis catalyst and show you how your biggest challenges can become your greatest opportunities. Paul Edworthy will reveal how the greatest mindset and performance psychology can unlock the next level of your business and your life. And Joe Pitman, elite athlete and coach, will share what it really takes to perform at the highest level under pressure. And throughout the day, you're going to be surrounded by ambitious business owners, entrepreneurs, leaders who are all committed to growth, creating an impact, and helping each other to succeed. You're going to leave with a clear 90-day strategy plan, practical actions you could implement immediately in your business, new relationships and opportunities, accountability and support from a community that wants to see you win. If you're ready to stop drifting and start building momentum, this is where you need to be. Reserve your place today and you'll see us at Elite Club. Be elite, be bigger, think bigger, and build something legendary. Love to see you there.